Simplicity. The quality of being easy to understand or not complicated. The simplicity of the instructions made them easy to follow. She admired the simplicity of the design. The recipe's simplicity allowed him to cook it quickly. Simplicity in life can lead to happiness. The simplicity of her dress made it elegant.